Okay, what we're doing today is I've got my old unibody truck with the Yblock in it. A couple months ago I had a head gasket go out on one side, so I'm taking everything apart, cleaning it, getting the heads resurfaced, putting as much new stuff in as possible. Anyway, what's going on is my rocker arm assemblies were full of crap, so I took them apart, cleaned them up, and now what I'm doing is I'm taking oil with my little straw here, and I'm putting oil down into the rocker arm assemblies, and doing it for a couple of reasons. One is I don't want to dry start, not that I'll have one anyway. Turn it over several times and that'll take care of that, but I just want to make sure the oil's going where it should in the rocker arms. So putting this in here, and then what I do after I get that all in is I take my air compressor and I force a little air in it, and that'll hopefully push it out through the holes of the oil where it comes through. Oh yeah, there we go. Let me show you. It's squirting out there. There we go. We know we got good clean oil in there now, so if I could put my other hand around it, it'd probably work a little better, but anyway, that should work pretty good. See you later. Bye.